Welcome! Yes, and I am not able to dive, and I'm going to show you guys why. See, rough. But no problem. I heard there's a nice waterfall here. Yes. So we'll go and check this out. Alright people, I heard there's coffee. That just made my day already. Good morning. This is so beautiful. This is so cool. I can't believe I've never been here. They will see me again. Real coffee. Yes. I'm here early and I thought like, oh my god, I will have to sit under a tree and wait till the guys arrive. And now I'm here getting all coffee. This is so cool. Jamaican Nice T-Shirt reference. No, I'll have to come back here to this place. So apparently they have cottages there and a real nice setup where you can, it looks like, you know, spend the weekend. Cool. This is so nice. Like, where will I have my coffee? Here? Or over there? Because look at the view. Alright people, so here we are, we're going on a hike, right? So we're hiking up to the Kwame Falls. Always heard about it, but never got the chance actually to go there myself. And yeah, there we are. Yes, so I'm excited. I definitely are excited. Plus, I've seen some pictures recently, so it looks like the fall is really popping these days, and that is always great to visit the waterfalls when there is enough water. So you're saying
yeah, man.
no, what's your name?
You know what a doggy them call me, you know.
Doggy?
Yeah man. But
Alright.
Maxwell my name saved me.
Maxwell.
But a doggy, yeah man, them call.
Oh yeah, what's the story now with the Kwame Fall? He named Kwame because of the Maroons leader?
Yeah man, the Maroons, you know, make it name for him.
Nice.
Because when the Maroons them run and hide, you know. Them hide up in a those places because through the river go so they can hide down at the falls, them, you understand?
Oh.
So that's the reason why them call it Kwame, because I up there and they live like when they run out here, you know?
When you, I see.
Yeah man, yeah man.
And same with the Taki Fall
and
now?
same with Taki Falls now. Yeah man, the same thing. Because they say one time the Maroon, when them did a chase Taki, you know, Taki was riding a horse. So when them come through, them see the horse over in the river. You understand? Them not see Taki, you know, just they ask them to drop off over the precipice. That's why then say Taki dead there. So you understand? But too, Taki jump off a horse, the horse alone it go over there. You understand? So that's why them call down there Taki Falls.
Nice,
Yeah,
nice.
man.
So will we see Taki Falls today?
No, because they run on the other side, you know.
Oh, we have to come back for this one?
Yeah man, far a little journey run on the other side.
Oh.
Yeah man, and it's even better when you drive up by Islington and go down.
Islington and go down?
Go down, yeah, nearer to Taki Falls, because most of the people that will come down here, we have to drive them up Islington and go down here.
I see.
Yeah man, yeah man.
Nice, respect people.
Yeah man.
So we're going to see Kwame Falls
Yeah,
this
man.
time,
Yeah,
and
man.
we're going to check out Taki Falls on another day. I love to hear that.
But Taki now, you have some cave. So
Cave?
you could go back at the waterfall like and go through, you know?
Yeah,
and
yeah.
then thing there. So I saw them, they said Taki hide them up there.
Through the cave.
Yeah, back at the waterfall where the cave them there, yeah.
Nice.
Yeah man.
That's interesting. Oh guys, all these trees, I just love it.
Yeah man, it's a fig tree.
Fig tree?
Yeah, it's a fig tree.
See guys, one big fig tree here.
Normally most people that say duppy live on a
A duppy. Yes, sir.
Yeah man.
You afraid of duppy?
Not really, no. When me little bit, you know, I know.
Oh.
Yeah man. I know. Don't pick your arm, you know him. Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, man. So, if you're not on a job out there, the farming can turn over the money just like how you have a job.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So that's what we're doing. Yeah.
Alright, people, nice little trail. Yeah. Watch your step. You don't want to drop here. Oh man, this is nice. Yes, lovely, lovely. Finally, I'm here on this hike. Yeah, I'm really looking forward to the waterfall and see what it is like. Kwame Falls, through bush. Yeah, right through. Yeah. Ah no, ew, spider. Yeah, leave me alone. Spider on my head. Give me a nurse shark every day, but don't give me a spider. or a king crab, yeah? Yeah. Anyway. Holding this big ass king crab, and then I get home to this spider in my room and I'm like, oh, spider. Does that make sense? No, it doesn't. A little preview. Guys, look nice. Ah, yeah. I'm just all smiles. Oh wow, this is so beautiful. Amazing. People, beautiful St. Mary. We're still in St. Mary. I love it. It's so nice. View. Alright. I'm gonna try. It's supposed to sweet and nice. Eh? Not sweet?
I have some beer sweet.
Yeah. No, it's sweet.
Sour.
It's sour, yes. Well, yeah, a little sourness. You're right. A little sourness, good. Sea grape, yeah, yeah. The one I had in Manchineel the other day, that was a little sweeter. Woo! Yes, it's nice. Nice breeze. Guys, I don't even know if you guys hear me properly, but I'll try. I'm already hungry. Nice. Thank you. June plum, yes. All right. Nice, nice. Sorry. He saw the jelly and he went for it. This one ready up there? The yellow one?
Right.
Eh?
Are this chocolate
Yeah.
come from?
Yeah.
Also, well, ripe one up this. I imagine.
Yay! Guys, you remember? Yeah. Good up, Coco. All right. Nice, nice.
What a disappointment! It's big builder. Oh my God! Look at it. I wonder already. I look at it now and say, oh.
It looked good to me.
Eh?
All right, this one.
Wait, drum roll. Wah,
That no
wah.
Oh, wow. That one as well.
Yeah, cut this.
This one, yeah, so.
Cut this. That one a good man, then two the good.
Hopes and dreams. Broke my heart 2 times already.
That one then two the good man. Yeah,
All right. So this now,
took off his teeth. Nice man.
lovely surprise.
Yeah, so some of turn up.
Nice, yeah.
Yeah, I got that with it.
Nice. Okay, one more.
Enjoy my
Okay.
Yeah, some.
It tastes like sauce up.
Very good for.
This was, I think they meant to build a church here. Yeah.
Ebenezer. Yeah, what do you mean? Like
Ebenezer Church. More on this side. Ah, look at the tree. The tree grows right on the ruins. This looks cool. Yee-hoo! I better stop my one duppy come out. Alright. Lovely walking through the river. Yes. You're approaching the waterfall. Guys, this is a real nice walk. Yes, I enjoy it. This is so lovely. It's really, really beautiful. Can you hear? Oh my God, that's so nice. Yeah! People, we are approaching the waterfall. Can you hear it? I'm in here. A little steep part here. Adding to the adventure. Wow. Oh my God, this is so beautiful. Woo! Can you see it? Yeah, right there, there. This is amazing. Woohoo! Welcome to Kwame Falls. Yes, this looks like I need both of my hands to get down there. So I'll put down this camera, yeah, and climb down. Oh man, nice. Oh, this is amazing. So beautiful. So here are we like in one big cave. Yeah. And looking at Kwame Falls. Guys, I've become such a better vlogger. I have extra batteries and extra memory card. And yes, I'm ready. Yeah. Because of course now the battery is finished. But I have an extra battery and I have an extra memory card. I'm learning. I'm getting there to this vlog life. Alright, so we're gonna test out this water. Let's see how cold it is. Let's test the waters. Oh yeah, it's like colder, cold. Yeah, well, yeah. And deep. Why? Alone in here. What a nice. But there's a current. To get there. Nice. Let's see first. Behind the falls.
No.
Yeah, you. Oh man, this is so cool. Yeah, actually, the water is not that cold. Yeah, I've seen or felt up Nilvangen was much colder than here. This is actually easy. This is lovely. and this is the spot where the sun is because now I'm cold. Alright, now to get the jelly. Very good, because I'm thirsty. Yeah, yeah. Wicked, nice. Nice. This is now our food stop. Yes, we're having a food stop by the beach. Oh, this is so beautiful. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. Nice. This is amazing. Alright, so let's see what they have cooked for us. Now we have pasta. Alright. And we have rice. And a nice stew. Meat in there. Ital stew, perfect. That's my pot.
This is a soup,
And we have our soup,
natural.
Ital. This is amazing. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Nice. This is so beautiful. Chef. This is so cool. I love it. Yes, Brian, big up yourself. Yeah, he organized this. And some vegetarian soup. Yeah, man. Alright, guys, you see? Nice. I know what's in it, but oh my god. Chef, pick up yourself. This is nice. Yeah. Alright guys, so lunch is here, but I'm gonna eat where the view is. Yeah. This is so good. This is so good. I need to go for more. Yeah man, big up the chef. Big him up. You have to teach me how to do that.
Yeah.
This is delicious. A roast sweet potato. But this one is good, right? See, chef? Even the meat lovers love it. Belly full. Ah, this is so nice. This is nice. Yes, and we are strolling along the beach. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Let's see what's over there. Really would like to go for a swim, but I think it looks like these currents go in different directions. Yes. No mermaid, not today. Oh, this is nice. This side and this side, and then, whoo! Yeah. Think I can climb this? No, my ass is probably gonna fall down. All right. Calm down, Jess. Calm down. And around there, it wants a beach cleanup too. Yes guys, sea rough today. But yeah. just on a rock. On top of the world, or on top of the rock. Wondering if there are some lionfish here. Everywhere I'm going now is like, are there lionfish? Probably gonna call my day. Have to come and check this out. This is beautiful. Wine forest. We're back by the church. All right. Nice. People, guess who fell? Yes, me. It looks so tragic. Well, it's part of the adventure. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, almost lost our path. Yeah, we're back on track. We're back on track. All right, Jess, watch your step because you only have 2 knees. One blood up already. Yeah, looks like we're slowing up the group. Huh? Yeah, it's crazy. Wines, they will just grab your foot and then I'm lifting up the foot. I lift up more and I lift up more. No, but the wine wouldn't let go of my foot. And there I drop. Bang! Yeah! Bang, bang! On the rocks. Yeah. But it's all good, it's all good. I'm walking. Nothing serious. Whew. Yeah. And we're back on track. Da 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 da. Da da da. Da da. That's how I love spend my Sundays. I'm sweating, man. I could go right back to that waterfall and jump in. Yeah. No, it's an easy walk. I'm just trying to walk faster now. But it's a real moderate, nice little hike. Yeah. Speaking in levels, I would say it's a level 1. Yeah. So, guys, you can definitely do this without any hiking experience. Guys, did we miss that? Really? Got curried. Oh, come on, butterfly. People, so this was another amazing tour. We have Brian here and he is from?
I don't know, we're from Jamaica. For those who are not of Jamaica, Trelawney we base, I don't know. Also Spring, big up on herself. Big up Jessica for supporting us from way back until now. I love the time in St. Mary. Kwame Waterfalls is back. Come check it out, you know. All
right, so where can people find your tour? So the tour name is Island Legends, right?
So it's the experience. We're a brand that offers an experience. We're called Island Legends. Discover, become, and conquer. Island Legends, live the legend.
Yes. So where can people find you if they want to book a tour like this?
Well, we're online on most of the social mediums right now and on YouTube. I know she had a big YouTube that I know. So, you know, yeah, we're the boat, man. That's Island Legends with a Z. Look us up, you know.
Awesome. Guys, I'm gonna leave the link below. And then, yeah, so amazing tours. Definitely check it out. Yeah, and that's a wrap. Alright guys, all natural soap you can buy here. Sure, the ganja soap. All this soap, natural soap, yes. So you have like different flavors from turmeric, ganja, fever grass, peppermint, everything, charcoal.
We have turmeric and we have bark.
It smells so good. Guys, this is so cool. Getting the charcoal turmeric. I'm getting spearmint, ganja. Hey guys, thanks for watching. This was another amazing hike. And I have a lot of soap. Yes, it's good. Pack up. Anyway, if you're new to this channel, remember to subscribe, like, and share with your friends. Yes, and stay tuned for some more adventures. And yes, that's a wrap.